Hello, today we're going to make rotating helicopter. Let us see what components we will need. The helicopter print, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a switch, a motor, the motor lifter cardboards, and some double-sided tape. Firstly, let's color the line drawing with some crayons or sketch pen. After finished coloring, let's separate the propeller and the helicopter with a scissor. Now let's put the body of the helicopter aside and cut out the propeller with a utility knife. The cutouts are ready. Now cut a tiny circular shaped double-sided tape and stick it on top of a propeller. Now take the other propeller and stick it on top of the double-sided tape. It should make an X. Cut 2 pieces of small double-sided tape and stick both of them on the front and the back of the motor. Now take the motor lifter cardboard and stick on the double-sided tape. Now take 2 another small pieces of double-sided tape and stick it on the side of the battery. Now stick the motor cardboard on the battery. Make sure you have pushed the cardboard a bit so it can attach to the battery properly. Now stick another small piece of double-sided tape on the bottom of the battery and attach the switch on it. Now take a wire of the motor and connect it to one end of the switch. Twist it to secure it properly. Now attach the battery connector on the battery. Now take the positive wire of the connector and connect it to the other wire of the motor. Now take the negative wire of the connector and connect it to the other end of the switch. Now when the switch is pressed, the motor runs. Now take a medium piece of double-sided tape and stick it on the body of the helicopter. Now stick our motor circuit on the double-sided tape. Do it in a way so the switch is at the back of the body. Now take a compass and make a small hole in the center of the propeller. After making the hole, insert the propeller on the shaft of the motor. Now let's check the output. Press the switch. Our rotating helicopter is ready. Thanks for watching.